Thank you for purchasing Lee Display's Raised Bed Planter Box. Assembling your planter box is very easy and should only take a few minutes. Start by standing the legs and panel sides against a supportive table. Rest the panel on top of the supporting piece installed on each corner of the legs. Insert the bolts into each hole. Connect the opposite leg using the other two bolts. Use the supporting block to support the panel while you are picking up your other bolts. Once the bolts are inserted, put a washer on each bolt, then screw the nuts onto the bolts using just your hand to tighten. Connect the other panel to each leg while it is supported by both blocks. Insert bolts into each hole and tighten the screws by hand with the washers and nuts. Use a wrench or drill socket to fasten down the connections. Once all the sides are secured, you can install the lower shelf and liner tray. Position the shelf between all four legs. Then flip the shelf over so that it lays flat on all four of the wooden blocks attached to each leg. Then insert the liner tray one side at a time. Make sure the tray sits beneath the bolt. Your planter box is now assembled. Before using, please follow the instructions found on our website at leedisplay.com.